Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the most detailed and objective reviews on products that matter to you. Today, we're looking at two standout items from COSORI, the COSORI Electric Pressure Cooker 6QT and the COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven 26.4Q Silver. These two kitchen appliances promise to make your cooking experience more efficient and versatile, but do they deliver on that promise? Let's find out. The COSORI Electric Pressure Cooker is packed with features designed to simplify your cooking. With 9-in-1 functions, it covers a wide range of cooking needs, from pressure cooking and slow cooking to steaming and even sous vide. It offers 13 presets like oatmeal, stew, rice, and meat poultry, making it easy to cook your favorite dishes with just a button press. The standout feature here is the stress-free venting system, which places the seal vent button away from the steam release valve, ensuring safer, easier venting. Plus, the 30-degree backward-angled steam release design is a thoughtful touch, reducing the risk of burns when releasing steam. The real-time progress bar on the display is another great feature, allowing you to track your cooking progress at a glance. With a 6-quart capacity, it's a perfect fit for small to medium-sized households. Now, let's move on to the COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven 26.4Q Silver, which is a true powerhouse in the kitchen. This appliance offers more than 12 functions, including air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, and more. The oven's 26-quart capacity means you can cook a large meal for your family with ease. The 2-layer cooking system ensures even cooking, whether you're baking a 12-inch pizza, roasting a whole chicken, or toasting 6 slices of bread. It's built from durable, food-grade stainless steel, making it both safe and long-lasting for everyday use. It also allows you to save your preferred cooking time and temperature, adding to its convenience. With these two products, COSORI is aiming to simplify meal preparation while offering flexibility and reliability. During my real-world testing, I had the chance to try out both of these products in my kitchen, and I was impressed by their performance. First, the pressure cooker was incredibly easy to set up. I used the pressure cook function to make a beef stew, and the results were great. The cooking time was much shorter than traditional methods, and the food came out tender and flavorful. The venting system worked exactly as advertised, and I didn't have to worry about steam burns, which is a huge plus. I also used the rice function to cook jasmine rice, which came out perfectly cooked, fluffy, and with minimal effort on my part. The COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven was just as impressive. I tried making air-fried chicken wings, and the results were crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, just like a deep fryer, but without the mess and excess oil. I also used the toaster oven to bake a pizza, and it cooked evenly with a nice crisp on the crust. The 26-quart capacity really shines here, allowing me to cook larger meals without feeling cramped. However, it did take a bit longer to preheat compared to a traditional oven, but once it was heated up, it performed beautifully. When it comes to pros and cons, both appliances have their strengths and some areas where they could be improved. The pressure cooker's main strength lies in its ease of use, quick cooking time, and safety features, particularly the stress-free venting system. It's a solid performer for anyone looking to speed up their cooking process without compromising on quality. On the flip side, the 6-quart might be a bit small for larger families or when cooking for a group, so keep that in mind if you need to prepare big meals. As for the air fryer toaster oven, the biggest plus is its versatility. With so many functions, it's an all-in-one appliance that can replace several devices in your kitchen, saving you both space and money. The even cooking and large capacity are definitely standout features. However, it's worth mentioning that it takes a bit longer to preheat, which might be a drawback if you're in a rush. But once it's preheated, the results are fantastic, so it's a minor inconvenience in the grand scheme of things. In terms of value for money, both of these products offer solid performance, especially when compared to similar alternatives in their respective categories. The COSORI Electric Pressure Cooker is priced reasonably for a device that offers multiple cooking functions and the added benefit of safety features. Similar pressure cookers with comparable features can be found at similar price points, but the venting system and progress bar are unique touches that set this one apart. The air fryer toaster oven, on the other hand, is slightly pricier than basic toaster ovens, but considering its 12-in-1 functions and the ability to replace multiple appliances, it offers good value for those looking for a versatile kitchen tool. When comparing these products to other similar items on the market, the COSORI Electric Pressure Cooker competes well with other multifunctional pressure cookers, especially with its intuitive interface and user-friendly design. It holds its own against brands like Instant Pot, which is a well-known competitor in the space. The air fryer toaster oven, however, has fewer direct competitors in this price range with similar capacity and features. Brands like Breville and Ninja do offer similar models, but the COSORI stands out with its dual-layer cooking and the range of presets. In terms of build quality, both products are solidly constructed with durable materials. The pressure cooker's stainless steel interior and outer casing give it a premium feel, and it seems built to last. The air fryer toaster oven's stainless steel exterior is equally sturdy, and while it is slightly bulky, the larger capacity justifies the size. There's no question that these are made to endure the wear and tear of daily use. As for customer support, I didn't have any direct interactions with COSORI's support team during my testing. However, the brand has a reputation for providing helpful customer service based on various online reviews. If you run into any issues, it's likely you'll get a quick response and resolution, but I did not encounter any problems myself. To wrap things up, both the COSORI Electric Pressure Cooker 6QT and the COSORI Air Fryer Toaster Oven 26.4 QT Silver are solid choices for anyone looking to enhance their cooking experience. The pressure cooker is perfect for those who need speed and convenience, while the air fryer toaster oven is ideal for those looking to replace several appliances with one versatile device. They both perform well in real-world testing, with only minor drawbacks like the slightly smaller capacity of the pressure cooker and the preheating time of the toaster oven. If you're looking to streamline your kitchen and make meal prep easier, these products are worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to drop them in the comments below. The link to purchase can be found in the comments box as well. Until next time, happy cooking with Reviews Inside TV.